Note: this video contains valid tones. I, SPC Mojave or Gaming's Art am not responsible for airing of this alert. Otherwise, have fun self-activating your Midland radios. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: northwestern central Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, Clark County in southern Nevada, until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm moving to the counties in excess of 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 40 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: expect damage to roofs, siding entries. Take shelter now. Lightning is one of nature's most leading killers. Report severe weather to the Las Vegas National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-263-26778 when you can do so safely. Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has issued for the following counties in Arizona and Nevada: Mojave, Clark,